Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. And for today, quick update lang regarding my new riding jacket from Casco Market. Casco Market, Cebu. This is actually from Binkia, by the way. Tags, nabili ko siya for around 3,800 pesos. Yung tags na kasama, direction stickers. And here's the jacket itself. This is made of 100% polyester. Yung outer shell or your inner shell niya ay mesh and polyester na combination. Hindi siya mainit. Test fit natin guys. By the way, for your reference, this is size XL. And I am 5'7" and 85 kilograms. This jacket is fully padded. May dalawang pad sa chest, dalawa sa shoulders, and dalawa sa elbows, and isa sa likod. So you can see. This one is fully adjustable, and if ever na naiinitan kayo, pwede nyo pong luwagan or open. Adjustable as you can see. And to tighten. Okay. This one also. And to tighten. And sa likod ay strap adjustable. Very easy to use. And this one actually is reflectorized dito, and yung brand and the sides. Okay, yun lang. Recap, nabili ko sa Casco Market for around 3,800 pesos. This is size XL and I am 5'7" and 85 kilograms. Polyester and mesh polyester yung inner. Hindi siya mainit. Thank you guys for watching. Ride safe. Bye-bye.